Network Solutions is a veteran domain registrar and website hosting company with a long history. Let's take a balanced look at their advantages and disadvantages to help you decide if they're the right service for your web presence needs. Pros. Established reputation. Network Solutions has been in the business for a long time, giving them a sense of stability and reliability. Domain name. Variety. They offer a wide selection of domain name extensions, TLDs, to choose from. Uptime reliability. Network Solutions boasts a strong uptime guarantee, often around 99.9%, meaning your website is likely to stay online consistently. Freebies. Some plans include extras like a website builder or business formation services. Cons. High prices. Network Solutions can be considerably more expensive than many competitors offering similar features. Opaque pricing. It can be difficult to find clear pricing information on their website until you're ready to check out. Outdated interface. The user interface may feel clunky and less user-friendly compared to modern alternatives. Questionable support. Customer support quality can be inconsistent, with some users reporting long wait times or unhelpful responses. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description